Let me show you how to properly use your Astronaut Galaxy Star projector, and also I'll show you some tips and tricks you need to know actually about this unit and what you can do with it. Okay, the first thing you actually need to know about this projector is that you actually need to be kind of careful when you use it. So because this actually uses laser to actually project the image. So as you see on this, you even have a warning, so you really shouldn't look directly inside here. So I really like to set maybe on table somewhere like this, and then basically it will project forward like this. And again, do not look basically inside here, as you can potentially even like damage your eyesight if you like continue looking inside in this lens. Again, this is laser, and if you want to power on this device, you will actually need a power supply. So it actually doesn't have inbuilt battery. Inside the box you'll find a charger lead like this, so we have to simply plug it in over here, and this we simply have to plug in any USB. For example, you can get a wall adapter and simply plug it in and it will work. Also you can use any power bank to find like power this on as well. Also maybe you want to power it somewhere from a phone as well, so you can maybe get adapter like this which converts a regular USB to type C. For example, you can plug it in. As you can see, if I plug in my phone and press this on off button, so you see it actually powers on and it works perfectly fine. So this is actually very cool. Okay, next, did you actually know that we can actually remove the head of this astronaut? So yep, this is actually possible. So the like tilting mechanism actually works on a very strong magnet, so you can really pull this out without any problems. So maybe you want to use it somewhere in a very tight space, maybe this is useful for you. Then also I actually suggest you to use your remote control instead of these over here, because the remote control can also adjust the brightness of the nebula and also the rotation speed. So on the unit itself we can cycle between the different nebula modes and also the star mode, but that's about it. So this remote control is actually more advanced, and here is what it can do if you do not have the manual anymore. Also, if you are actually looking to purchase this projector, I actually suggest you to go on AliExpress and get it over there. As you can see, it only costs less than $7 over there. So in other places such as Amazon, I have seen some sellers ask like $20 or $30 for this unit. Basically, I still think it's actually like really good, and basically if I paid like $30 and if I received this, I wouldn't like complain, because yeah, it's actually like very good quality and the light output is very good. But again, if you go on AliExpress, you can get it for like less than $7. Actually, if you are like a brand new user on AliExpress, you can get it for like $2 with free shipping. So again, I'll actually leave a link to this exact astronaut I actually purchased it. And overall, actually, I'm extremely impressed with this projector. As you can see, it's very bright, and also it can pretty much cover all my ceiling in my room, and yeah, it looks absolutely beautiful. So the modes are actually like very nice, and the light quality also is like surprisingly pleasant on this projector. So it looks absolutely awesome in my opinion. This definitely is easily one of the best projectors that I have ever seen. Okay, good luck everyone.